Hi folks, this is Max from GalaxyS2Root.com. Anyway, today I'm going to show you how to install a new ROM. Also, they got this ROM called Mad Mac, which is based on latest 2.3.4. Basically, it's a Samsung ROM rooted. For those of you who don't care about getting rid of, Samsung bloatware, you can install this ROM and get the latest of 2.3.3. Anyway, go copy the ROM file into the root folder of your phone, and also let me show you that this is running about phone 2.3.3. So we're going to upgrade it to 2.3.4, one of the ROMs that's been leaked. So let's go do that. Once you've copied the files over, you're going to power it off. Okay, hold down the power button, power off. Okay, and then we're going to get into the Clockwork Mod recovery mode. Of course, you have to have your phone rooted and installed Clockwork Mod recovery. If you didn't, go to my site GalaxyS2Root.com. I have it there. So hold down the volume up, the home button, and the power button to get into Clockwork Mod recovery. Alright, just hold it down until you see flashing twice, and then you'll get into the orange Clockwork Mod recovery menus. And also make sure you back up your current ROM, or at least you should have made one backup, and also you should have backed up your apps and the apps that you want to back up using Titanium backup. I have instructions also on that at GalaxyS2Root.com. So once you're here, I hope you backed up your current ROM. I've already done that. Once you've done that, we're going to do wipe data factory reset. Hit the center button, home button, and say yes, and hit the home button. This take like 3 seconds, and then we're going to go flash the new ROM file. So we're going to go to install zip from SD card, hit the home button, choose zip from SD card, hit the home button, and then you're going to go find the ROM file. For me, it's Mad Mac 1.6-CWM. That's the ROM file you copied over. You don't have to unzip it. You just copy it over to your phone's internal storage, and choose that and the ROM file, whatever ROM you want to install, and then hit the center button and say yes, and this will install a new ROM. Alright, and it should take like 5 minutes, so I'll be back when this is done. Hi folks, so it says installing kernel and everything went fine. So I'm going to hit the power button to go back and hit the home button to reboot. And I'll be back when this reboots. Actually, let me show you what it looks like. Anyway, this is a really great phone. I really love it. This is my phone, my friend's phone actually. This is the international unlock version. You can actually get it on Amazon for like $600. But for those of you in the US, I would probably just get the subsidized version, such as from Sprint, AT&T. Actually, yeah, I would. And I'm gonna get the Sprint Epic Touch 4G, which is the Galaxy S2 version for Sprint. Actually, it's gonna be the same because this ROM is based the screenshot or the splash image is gonna be the same as stock. This is basically stock rooted latest ROM based on 2.3.4. Also, when you have OTA updates and you want to unroot and go back to it, don't do that. My advice is, if you wait like a couple days or a week, there's going to be a rooted ROM with those updates, and you can just install those ROMs. That's better. So I'll be back when this is done. So it rebooted. It's going to obviously reset everything. So I'm going to go sign in, and I'll be back. Hi folks, so I've got the new ROM installed. So that's how you install a new ROM. If you have trouble, if it's not rebooting, you can always go back to your older ROM. Hopefully you backed it up. And I found the problem with this new ROM, it's not getting any, it's only getting voice signal, getting not data. So I'm going to go restore it back to stock, or I'm going to go try some other ROMs. So that's how you install a new ROM on the Galaxy S2 phone. Thanks y'all, and subscribe. And check out galaxys2root.com. Thanks y'all. Bye bye.